Hey kids, I'm Melo. Welcome to Bright Melo. Let's learn, play, and shine together.
Hi, I'm Melo. Let's learn about volcanoes. Deep inside the earth, it is very hot. Rocks melt into glowing magma. Wow! Great job, friends! Hi, I'm Melo. Friends, welcome to Bright Melo. I'm Melo, and today we're going on an exciting volcano adventure. Look at this volcano! Volcanoes are special mountains that connect deep inside the earth. Deep underground, it gets extremely hot. Some rocks melt and become a hot liquid called magma. Magma waits underground in a place called the magma chamber. Volcanoes also contain gases, ash, and rocks. Magma bubbles create pressure. When enough pressure builds up, magma begins moving upward through the vent. When magma reaches the surface, it becomes lava. This is called a volcanic eruption. Volcanoes can release lava, ash, gases, steam, and small rocks. Stay safe. Never go near an erupting volcano.
As lava cools down, it becomes hard rock. Over time, this can create new land. Volcanoes can help create new land and rich soil where plants grow. This can create new land. Let's remember, magma forms underground, pressure pushes it up, and when it comes out, it becomes lava. Quiz time! What do we call magma when it comes out of a volcano? That's right, lava! Great job, Bright Melo scientists!
If you enjoyed learning with us today, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Bright Melo so you never miss a new adventure.